Good morning. This is Kenya Williams with I Shine For You. Today we have a Chevy pickup truck with mold. As you can see, this is very, very disgusting. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of cleaning. But most importantly, guys, you gotta protect yourself first. I'm going to protect myself with all my PPE. As you can see, it's still saturation, so it lets me know that the water is coming in from this area here. So I'm going to take everything out of the car, and I'm going to pretty much find the leak first, and then I'm going to get it around and clean. Stay tuned. Wow, here goes your leaks, folks. On the back of the truck, and it's running all the way down the sides here. And you even got on that side. I believe we found it. Oh, all right, let it go.